A day full of STEAM. More than 100 young women were at the University of South Carolina Beaufort's Bluffton campus taking part in the Launch Your Future with STEAM workshop. The theme for this year's event was healthcare, and middle school students had the opportunity to explore different science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics careers hands-on in that field.
Our theme is public health, so we're exploring what does a STEAM career do for our public health. So in engineering, we can build a filter that might keep you from catching a virus in public. And we're doing graphics in our art session that will communicate the dangers of viruses and that kind of thing.
Students rotated through 5 different sessions, taking part in several interactive activities.
I was just in mathematics, and we were talking about body mass index and how math applies to that. So we had to do a formula that was weight over height squared times 703, and that's how you got your body mass index, and what number you got correlated to whether you were underweight, normal, or overweight or obese.
Basically what we did was we made a diagram of how lungs look when they're polluted and how they look when they're clean.
We were trying to make a filter to stop pepper from moving forward, I guess. We were using pipe cleaners to make a frame for the filter and using tissues inside to catch the pepper.
As the students worked, the instructors were also talking to them about different types of STEAM careers.
STEM careers are some of the best careers in terms of salary, in terms of equity and diversity, and as well as just longevity in career. So they're really good careers, but they're underrepresented with women. There's still typically 15 to 20% of the workforce in STEAM careers are women. So we'd love to get those numbers up in the future.
This is the 6th year the STEAM workshop has been offered to students. It's sponsored by the district, USCB, and the American Association of University Women. In Bluffton, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
Okay, well then y'all are ready to go over there once you get the balloon.